Hello, my name is Emilio Garduño Hernandez and I'm going to present my experiment of the class Design and Experiment Analysis. So, the experiment I have in mind is to find the most efficient algorithm to optimize the startup time of the operating sequence for the startup of a drum boiler. This is a drum boiler. It is a standard feature of a water tube boiler. The drum stores the steam generated in the water tubes and acts as a phase separator for the steam-water mixture. The startup of a drum boiler can be formulated as taking the system from an initial state to a goal state in a minimum time while satisfying a number of mechanical and process constraints. So, the initial state is the drum boiler at a certain point full of water, and the goal state is the drum with a certain pressure, local pressure, and a certain steam mass outlet flow. This steam can be used, for example, in a thermal power plant. And the most important constraint is the one that avoids the excessive thermal stress. Here you can see the thermal stress for the different temperatures in the outside and in the inside of the boiler. This thermal stress must be less than 10 megapascals. For this, we can control two valves, the heat inlet valve of the drum boiler and the steam outlet valve. So, the output to know if the startup is efficient is the final startup time of all the process and the computational algorithm time. The algorithm will yield the best startup time it finds, and the computational time will be the time it takes to find the solution. There are two factors that we can change in order to reach our goal. The first factor are the algorithms we can use. We will make these experiments with the simulated annealing algorithm, taboo search algorithm, and a hybrid algorithm that I developed with elements of the simulated annealing and the taboo search. And the second factor is the seed. The seed is an operating sequence from which the algorithm will start to search. It could be a random search, or it could be a feasible seed, but with a bad time to be optimized. This is a seed that takes a long time to reach the goal, but satisfy all the constraints. This is my presentation of my experiment, and follow me to know how this will continue.